ini Pak kelas sudah Kiba.
Kum ka Jingpyn kre na ka benta ka Jingwan Rwai jong Sheeran ya ka ba ngila ap kemit lenti menta berosh kata Hamadan JN Complex Stadium Shillong haga khat atrik urumpang di bawah penyak distrik kila pelong ya ka Jingelang bat kinong patai kubor nen ka sngi ban Pyntip Halor ki Jingpynbit Pynbiang bat kimat treikam Shuwa jong ka program Rwai. Ikong RM Kurba ibadai Deputy Commissioner ke East KHASI District ila Pyntip ba on supply ya ki khardop akapor saw bajie janmiet akaba on don artli ki jakarung on sabu lightly ki khardop ban mi on dalakun EDC la pentiknaru bagi school kin playback but on sha ban ra tang ya ki plapisa ki shabi bat ki mobile phone support stadium on sepanyai ru na shawai ya ki kali hakane ka sngi ban pentikna ya ka let kawan ka besuk na ka benta ki pai nong pet kai.
Would start from 3 p.m. because as what Madam has said, 4 p.m. the gates would open. So the first place where regulation point would be no entry at Lomjingshai Junction towards CRPF Junction Polo, no entry at Lomjingshai Junction towards Forest Colony. Vehicles out there will be diverted towards Laumali Junction and beyond. Then number 2, no entry at Laumali Junction towards Polo. Vehicles will be diverted to Lomjingshai, Jingpynbit and Jaya. No entry at Golfing Tri Junction towards Polo. Here vehicles will be diverted towards Mauro Tri Junction and Tiara Restaurant Junction. No entry at City Hut Dhaba Junction towards Polo, the one-way road. Vehicles will be diverted towards Oakland Road.
Also, gebang gadon hamdu nim sha ban ra pala ikini gilai tili ki kewe de mobile jampi ka baar kede shobi kali jampi ka balai kede ki wallet lani i plapisa jampi tekini de lai tili ki bangi nibo kendon ganum dan bandra pala de gatang nanta pada ni kwa do ban ong ba yiki klung hapo asam senang minum sha ban wan bala dan mana wan ra klung hapo asam senang in pen pai na yiki shwashi ya magini bo yiki kun ba min sa sha yiki ban wan pai pat
KHASI Auto Society lan nekas kalayai ban